Hey there, welcome to this walkthrough video of Publicate, where I'll show you how to recreate this beautiful newsletter within minutes. Okay, so let's start from the Create tab. And the first thing I want to add is a header image. I found one in the Discover Assets tab, where Publicate offers free resources, including royalty-free images, so just looking for the tech one. Okay, that's the one, so drag and dropping it over here. And I'm just going to crop it so it's the size of a banner. Next, I need a heading. We just need to style it so it says May Tech Roundup. Awesome. Next, we've got a text element. Just copy pasting the text from my example. Okay, and if you're wondering why the text is already in this type of font and size and color, this is something I've preset in my brand kit, which is where you can preset the styles of your newsletter, and this will save you a lot of time. Okay, so next we've got two links, and there are two ways of doing this. The first one is to drag and drop from your library, and to create the second column, I'm just dropping the other link to the right. And you'll notice that we scrape for you the image title, the description, and the source as well, so you don't need to do anything. The alternative method is to use a two-column row, then click Add Content and select Link. And I just need to paste the link. I don't really need this row, so just deleting it. Next, we want a call to action button, again, drag and dropping from the Elements menu. And now I just need to style it, add the More Tech News prompt, and make sure it's linked, for example, to my website or blog, whatever you prefer. Perfect. Next, we have a social proof row and a beautiful footer. And I didn't even need to design them because Publicate offers these modules for free. So just go into the Discover Assets tab and then Design Elements. And I'm just going to drop them here. And now all I need to do is to style the footer so it's in line with my brand. So editing the row and then changing the background color. And actually, because I will probably reuse this footer, I'm going to save it in case I want to save the whole row. Just hovering here, clicking the bookmark icon and saving it, adding it to my brand kit. And you see that now I'm directed to this saved element section. And another thing that will save you a lot of time is obviously to save your newsletter as a template if you're happy with it and you know you will reuse it. And now the final touch, setting up my newsletter background. I've got the color code, so I'm just pasting it here. So we're done with designing. Let's check how it looks in preview. So this is where you can see how it looks on desktop and mobile. You can even send yourself a test. And then when you're ready to send, just click export. We have integrations with Gmail and Outlook, which allow you to import your newsletter directly from your email draft. If you use any other email provider, just click copy to clipboard and paste in your email draft. And then you also have the option to share on social media and via internal messaging apps or even text using the share URL. I hope this little demo was helpful. Obviously, there are a lot more interesting features that you can use, so remember to check out the other video tutorials if you want to know how, or open the chat and let us know how we can help.